Trey Dillz in the building.
Like the Matrix.
Straight up. And it's just like that.
Nigga, I just waved Bill and I caught that bitch like the Matrix, like the bitch slowed down the time I caught the drip and blam. And just slowed that bitch. Bitch still dry, you heard me? Ain't no wetness, dripness on nothing. Caught that rat, caught that bitch. Yeah. No, we went to
Yes, indeed, yes, indeed. So,
oh shit. He gone, baby. Gone.
So, as you want to say, yeah, we got Trey Dillz, you know, he's in the building. Got his MySpace page going on. Currently got a bunch of clicks.
They got a lot of people on this shit.
A lot of people on it, you know what I'm saying? A lot of fans.
Him. We don't even know her, but she on that bitch, you know?
Hey, just sum it all up by just thanking your fans for clicking. You know what I'm talking about?
That's it. You know what I'm saying, man? It's all love for y'all, bro. It wasn't for y'all, ain't none of this right here gonna be happening, man. You couldn't do none of this, wouldn't be no kind of progress, production, none of that, you know what I mean?
Hey, we still underground, Mag Life, C-Love, and one day DST, but right now we all down to stay true. You better
ain't no one day, man. DST in the building too, you heard me? It's all Mag Life Entertainment.
Bro, that's how it gets down. So second off, we got a couple songs on there. First song will be, you know, when you see me rolling, tell them I'm balling out of control.
Man, yeah, but just to clear it up for y'all fans, y'all looking for that one particular song. The name of that bitch is Old School Ride. Straight up.
Old School Ride. The video coming on YouTube one day. Be looking for it.
Be looking for that bitch. Gonna be on YouTube, MySpace. Shit, if I can hook up on the Bebo, whatever, you know what I'm saying? However y'all can do it, fuck it, I'm there. I got you.
You heard that.
You know what I'm saying?
Then he got a hit following after that. Wish I could give it to y'all a sample, but
I can't give them too much information. Just I'm gonna give them the name. You know what I'm saying? All y'all gotta tell me is one thing. We made it.
Y'all heard it from the man himself.
I've been sick, dog. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? When we started, it was a karaoke machine. But when you started, when did you start?
Man, I started with a keyboard. You know what I'm saying? The motherfucking recorder. And that was it from there, man. All I had to do was play one little line. And the recorder played over, and I added to that bitch and made magic, you know what I'm saying? I've been going at it, adding to it ever since, you know what I'm saying?
That's what's up, that's what's up. That was about, and you know, your CD, how you think it's gonna do it when you finally get it together?
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I feel like you gotta be able to compete with the best, you know what I mean? If you ain't got a CD that just, you know, you can play that bitch from beginning to the motherfucking end, bro, you really ain't working with nothing, you know what I'm saying? You need to really go back to the drum board and just do it all over, you heard me? Start your shit all the way over, so shit, that's what I'm trying to hit the fans with, you know what I'm saying?
That's what's up, that's what's up, that's what's up.
Something you can hear.
I mean, so, if it was one thing you could say to your fans before you roll out, what would that be?
Shit, man. Y'all know who the real is, man. Fuck that jigger shit, man. It's straight Mag Life real lyricists around this bitch, man. Nigga, we making real music. That real shit. That grown up shit, you heard me? That's what we doing over here, man. We gonna keep giving y'all what y'all want, man. Y'all keep fucking with us on the real, for real.
That's what's up. We out.